Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. I hope you are doing well. Today I am going to talk about 7-band graphic equalizer stereo booster brand Proline Arrow model GP-870XII. The point that I will talk about are to analyze the damage of this unit, then disassembling, then further repair, test, general explanation of the part inside, then assembly. Well, soon we will begin. 7-band graphic equalizer stereo booster brand Proline Arrow model GP-870XII. I think this unit was manufactured around the 80s to 90s, and of course it is discontinued now. And now I am going to connect the black wire to the minus and the red wire to plus 12 volt from power supply. You have already heard it sound, haven't you? That when I tuned the volume and the feather potentiometer, there was a crackling sound. The feather and volume potentiometer should both be checked. If it has been checked, maybe we need to replace a new part. Unscrew two pieces of M4 by 0.7 fastener and two pieces of M2.6 by 0.45 by plus screwdriver. Lift to top cover plate. Do the same on the bottom cover of the plate. The inside looks still fresh. Remove the two bracket material of Pertinac that are attached to the right and left side of the front panel. Pull and slide these two ears are the front panel locked. Do the same on the right side. Now the front panel is opened. It's beautiful. This is a very old vintage component. The location of the two volume potentiometer and fader is here. I spray WD-40 on them, starting from the right side, then continuing the left side. This is the pre-action. From the result after spraying, both rotary potentiometers, that their movement are very smooth. And at the same time, I'll also clean the iron plate around the equalizer button. The handling for repairing and cleaning these two potentiometers seemed to have been done and was successful. One stereo volume potentiometer has a nominal value of B 60 kiloohms linear. At first glance, it looks like this fader has a small button on the front that is rotated, but it is true shape. This volume has a shape that extends backward. This is a power potentiometer to divide the front and rear channels. There are 4 pieces of LM324 ohm IC, which are 4 by 4 equal a total of 16 ohm. Each IC consists of 4 ohms. One stereo band requires 2 ohm. 7 band by 2 requires 14 ohm. The remaining 2 ohm are for the preamplifier. Each band is determined by the capacitance value of this capacitor. This is the transformer or inductor, which on the plus B 12-volt line for the interference filter. This left channel has 2 complementary power transistors. One is of type NPN and the other is PNP. While this one is the right power channel, is identical to the left channel. Variable resistor or trimmer potentiometer adjusts stationary current or bias for transistors. 2 audio output transformers are mounted on the back of this unit. This is the one from the speaker that is not directly from the transistor, but may be passed through the induction of this transformer. An RC network that usually has a value of 10 ohm and capacitor 0.1 microfarad, its function is to filter the high frequency. On the bottom copper side, there is a pair of heatsink fins made of extruded black aluminum. As I said before, this is a RC circuit where the resistor is 10 ohm and the capacitor is 0.1 microfarad. The bottom side of the 4 pieces of operational amplifier IC. Variable resistor slide and coder switch to set the audio frequency band. On this side of the back there is a sliding switch to select the normal input or bridge input. The meaning is that when the input is normal, the 3 input signal where one is ground, while the bridge is 4 wires without ground input. Let's reassemble this booster equalizer amplifier. All of us start by assembling the front panel. If you have difficulty understanding the content of this video or have any question, please write a comment. Thank you for watching. See you next time.